Some people think I'm cool, but other people think maybe I'm not so cool. Like as cool as you.
I think you're cool.
Thanks, Kwesta.
I think you're cool. I think you're hella cool.
I think you hella cool.
Yeah.
Hella also means hellava. H is for HYDRODIP. There's nothing more hip-hop you can do to your takkies than to HYDRODIP. That is why I've invited South Africa's most biggest hip-hop legend and sensation, Kwesta! Word, Kwesta.
Word.
Oh gosh, haven't seen you in a minute. That's hip-hop for haven't seen you in ages, hey.
This is true. This is 100% right. Let's HYDRODIP some shoes.
Let's HYDRODIP some shoes. You will need a container, spray paint, masking tape, and finally, the thing you want to HYDRODIP, some Takkies, Tomys.
Oh.
We're going to start by taking out the laces. There's it. Now, Kwesta, we're going to take the masking tape and we're going to tape all the parts that we don't want to HYDRODIP. So, for example, the sole, the bottom, anywhere you like. When last did you get crafty, Kwesta?
It kind of happens quite a lot.
Is it? Because you're a creative person.
And also, I have a 6-year-old daughter, so she's always up to something. We're always doing something.
Complete it.
Hydro.
Mic drop.
It's still all hip hop, right?
I'm gonna go first, Kwesta, because
You're the expert, man.
exactly.
DIY,
I do DIY for a living, and I'm gonna do little, short, sharp bursts onto the surface of the water.
Hydro. Dip.
Hydro dip. Looks nice, eh, Kwesta?
It really does. The pink and the blue.
Me too. Just dancing. This is also a hip hop, eh? Then for some gold. Okay. You hold over the shoe over a nice stunning pattern area that you like. Dip it down.
Dip, dip.
Dip, dip. Clear area. Kwesta, look. Then you bring it out.
Oh, yeah.
No! Look at this. Oh, look at this shoe.
That's really cool. And that's how you hydro dip.
And that's how you HYDRODIP. Exactly. Is this hip hop?
This is definitely hip hop. Yes, this is definitely hip hop.
Thought so.
I'm wearing this at the next show.
Done.
Full on. And I'm not joking.
Now we're gonna do Kwesta's shoes. Oh, nice color. Kwesta, I bet I can guess your favorite DIY tool.
My favorite DIY tool.
I bet I can guess it.
Yeah, give it a shot.
I
Let's
think
hear.
it is spirit level.
And I think it's time we dip.
Hold it there. It's cleared away.
Okay, wait. Excess paint. Let's see how we did here. Here we are.
Ooh! Very gorgeous, Kwesta.
I'm officially a hydro dipper. Looks cool to me.
It does.
Dip, dip, dip.
Dip, dip, dip. Clear it. Then we lift it.
And we lift it out.
Oh, this one is a bit different and interesting. Yours actually looks much better than mine.
Lie to me, I like it. You're quite a great host.
Oh, you're great. You're a great guest. We're ready for the reveal.
Good.
Let's take off the masking tape. So satisfying. And there you have it. The coolest, most hip-hopest takkies I've ever seen in my whole life. DIY
Because anybody can.
if you hip-hop. Special thanks to my BFFs at Tomy Takkies for sponsoring this video. I love you guys and I love your takkies and I love to make them wacky and cool. Oh, and PS, thank you Kwesta, my darling, for coming on the show. Guys, go follow him. He's incredible.